Directly driving the relay from the microcontroller's port may not be possible if the driving current is too high. To address this issue, let's create a relay driving circuit using transistors. First, we should simulate the operation of the circuit using program simulation in the Proteus software. I have already connected the components of the circuit. Instructions for using the Proteus program can be found on the internet, as many people have already provided tutorials. The circuit operates with a 5-volt power supply, and the relay coil has a resistance of 100 ohms, consuming approximately 50 milliamperes of driving current. If you plan to use a microcontroller, please note that those supplying current lower than 50 milliamperes will not be able to drive this relay. Thus, a driving circuit is necessary. In this circuit, we are using the BC337 transistor, which has the following specifications: Vceo, collector emitter voltage, of 45 volts and IC, collector current, of 800 milliamperes, making it suitable for use with this relay. We will simulate the circuit with a frequency of 1 Hz. Now, let's examine the results of the simulation. The circuit appears to be operating according to our requirements, with a current passing through the transistor of approximately 40 milliamperes. Next, we'll proceed to test the circuit on a breadboard. The results show that the circuit can be used effectively. I hope you find this demonstration helpful. Please remember to like, follow, and hit the notification bell icon so you won't miss any of our future videos.